Hi,
Hi,
My name is Tavani.
my name is Fahri.
Hi, my name is Elfrida.
my name is Alfatihah.
And we
Are from Group 9.
Administration of
Finance and Banking Program.
first things first.
We would like to thank Ma'am Nuni for this opportunity so that we are able to do our video presentation this time.
We also thank you who is willing to watch this video.
We hope that what we are going to tell will be beneficial for all of you.
And what we're going to tell you is about
Why deposits are so much better than savings. The best time to invest was 10 years ago. The second best time is today.
investing is one way to improve and enhance our finance.
But unfortunately, investing has risks that need to be faced.
And deposits can be the right choice for beginners with a relatively low risk.
We do also agree that savings already help us, but is it that much? There is still many of us who think that savings already save our money and our needs.
Fortunately, according to financial.business.com, even though deposit rate fell in August last year, this banking product still dominates for customer use.
By that we believe the many of you agree with us. Deposits are much better than saving.
So, we believe that deposits are much better than savings because they have positive effects such as higher interest rates, predetermined time periods, and lower risk investment.
First of all, deposits have higher interest rates. Time deposit is a type of investment or saving product offered by banks to the public. The advantage of time deposit saving is that the bank interest rate is higher than ordinary saving product. However, the money that has been deposited can only be withdrawn by the customer after a certain period of time.
Time deposit is a type of saving service that is commonly offered to the public. Deposit investment instrument with a little risk. Through investment or time deposit savings, we can maintain the principal value of the money we invest.
Back again with deposit interest rate, it is the value that the bank must give to the customers in return for current customers' deposits which the bank will return at the later date.
Similar to other deposit interest rates, the interest rate is determined by several factors that are interrelated with one another, even between deposit and loans managed by banks, which also determine the interest rates imposed by banks.
The prevailing deposit rate is between 3% and 6% depending on the term of the deposit itself. Another thing that affects deposit rates is, of course, the policies of each bank concerned.
It should be noted that deposit interest is also affected by the reference interest rate of Central Indonesia Bank, or what we call BI. When the interest rate of the BI amount goes up, the interest goes up, and vice versa.
Other than that, deposits have a predetermined time period. Term deposits, also known as time deposits, are investment deposits made for a predetermined period ranging from a few months to several years. The depositors receive a predetermined rate of interest on the term deposits over the specific period. Fund deposits for longer periods command a higher interest rate. Hand in hand with we what told before, term deposits account by a higher rate of interest than traditional saving account.
The funds itself cannot be withdrawn from a term deposit account until the end of the chosen period without incurring a financial penalty. And for the withdrawals, often require written notice in advance. At the end of the period, the depositor has the choice of withdrawing deposit funds plus earning interest or rolling over the funds into a new term deposit. So it shows us that the time period does not limit us to investing using deposit.
The most common form of a term deposit is a bank certificate of deposit or CD. We believe that this type of time deposit is the one of the best guarantee us to save without being hypnotized by the temptation of shopping or unnecessary big or small expense.
When it comes to investing, deposit carry a lower risk. We believe that deposit as a saving account over a modest return on our money, and we can get a bit more if we are willing to check out the rate tables and shop around.
Talking about investment, dividend paying stock and preferred stock can be our option. Dividend stock are considered safer than high growth stocks because they pay cash dividend, helping to limit their volatility but not eliminating it. But preferred stock is more like a lower grade bond than it is a stock. Still, it may fluctuate substantially if the market falls, but may not fall as far for dividend stock.
Deposits also carry a fixed annuity. And with a fixed annuity, the contract promises to pay a specific sum of money. Usually it's monthly and is over a period of time can make a prediction for us to contribute a lump sum and take our payout starting immediately. Or we can pay into it over time and have the annuity payout at some future date. It is such as retirement. And moreover, about money market funds, those are pools of certificate of deposits or what we call CDs. It's basically a short-term bonds and other low-risk investment grouped together to create diversification without much risk. And those are typically sold by brokerage firm and mutual funds companies.
This is beneficial for beginners, especially so we won't have to be afraid even if we still have a days to invest. Using money market account, we may feel much like a saving account because it's over many of the same benefits, including a debit card and interest payment. But it's not the same. A money market account might require a higher minimum deposits than a saving account, but still more benefits to get, right?
To sum up, with these benefits such as higher interest rate, predetermined time periods, and lower risk investment, we believe that deposits are much better than savings. With restriction on the desire to use the money, when the interest rates has increased rapidly, we can take the fund and reinvest it elsewhere at higher rate.
In other words, we can pay in installment to invest heavily at a later date. Even if we don't want to invest, it still helps save our money with the bonus in it.
There are still many benefits of deposits that support us why it is much better saving others than what we told here.
So, rather than save our money in the same amount just now and then, why don't we give it a try? For deposit,
Guess that's all from us this time. We already wrapped our core discussion, and we hope that what we have conveyed can be useful and become your consideration to choose whether to use deposit or not.
Whatever your choice, we appreciate your decisions. Let's share with us and grow in careers and preparation for our futures and lives.
Thank you for watching and paying attention till the end.
If you have something to ask, to share, or to discuss with us, do not hesitate to contact us or comment down below. I'm Stephanie.
I'm Fahri.
I am Elfrida.
And I am Alfatihah. We
are
are checking
checking
out.
out.
Bye.
Bye.